Today on the Dairyland Drifter, we are doing an unboxing of the GOSPOWOR Camping Stove. Let's get into it. Nicely wrapped, comes in a nicely packaged container, fits it perfectly. Oh, it also comes with a pan. So when I ordered this, I was looking for the most features for the least amount of money. So it actually comes with this pan. Looks like steel. We'll see how it works. I'll give it a try for sure. A lot of the other ones came with a square one. I was kind of surprised this round one came with this one, but it does come with instructions in a couple of different languages. Let's get it out of the container. First, on the underside, it does come with legs that snap into position, which I really like. There is a handle on the bottom side here. And here's the front side. You've got your two different control knobs and two igniters. Nice snap, steel construction, flip up sides, and then they lock into the lid. All right, this one's a little janky. I think I just got, this is, here. My bad, operator error, this hinge wasn't completely flipped up. So here's what you come with. It's got a nice removable grate. It comes with the setup for a small propane cylinder, or you can connect this to this and run it off a regular propane cylinder. So let's set it up and see how it works. Now, when I was searching for a grill, I was looking for one with the most features for the least amount of money. And igniters generally increase the price substantially. So for about the price of a regular one without igniters from big name brands, I'd have spent at least this much, if not a little bit more, for one that didn't require igniters or didn't have igniters. So I figured if these igniters don't work, I'm not any worse off. It's still well made. So let's turn on our gas. Oh, the gas is actually on. There's no knob to turn on and off the gas, which I'm not too big a fan of. Boom. Boom, both lit. I think what you'll find with these igniters though is that periodically you'll have to hit them once or twice. Also, if your cylinder is a little bit low and your pressure is a little bit low, the igniter doesn't work quite as well. But having one of these as a backup, like I said, I was looking for a grill with the most features. This one's 20,000 BTUs, so I'm assuming it's 10 and 10, which is enough to boil water, and that's about all you need. Frying eggs or whatever. This would be plenty of BTUs to get the job done. And I do like the fact that this does have the windscreens. The way it's set up, I think, kind of lends itself a little bit to them coming detached. But again, it was $69.99 on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. So, checking the controls. The controls don't do a lot. If you're using a single burner, it's more on and off than anything. So that's probably a negative on this grill. But I intend to use it this summer and see how it goes. So why spend $69 on this camp stove? Well, this is what I was using in the past, which is a single burner stove that worked really well for boiling water in a tea kettle or a cup. It's got the legs on it, and it sits real nice. But the problem with it is when I wanted to put a larger pan or something on it, it just always felt like it was on the verge of tipping over. If I bumped it, I felt like it was going to fall off. But when I was using my Stanley French press, and it sat on there real nice, and it was good for boiling water, or like I said, with a tea kettle. But if I wanted to do something with a pot or something a little more advanced, it was a little bit of I was a little unsure of it. So I wanted something with a good trivet, I guess is what you call it, the grill on top, so that you can place pots and not have to worry about them falling out. So, don't know if I'll get as much camping done as I intended to this year, but when I do go camping, I'm going to have myself a nice stove for that. So that's the GOSPOWOR Camping Stove with auto ignition, removable trivet, windscreen, independent control knobs, and 20,000 BTU heat output. So that's my new camp stove. I hope you like my unboxing. If I can answer any questions for you, please leave a comment in the description. And we are going on our first camping outing next week, or this coming week when this video comes out, going up to Wisconsin and doing a little camping, a couple of nights at a county park right on the Yahara River where we can do a little canoeing as well. I'll have more on that in the coming episodes, and I appreciate you checking out the Dairyland Drifter. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Appreciate you.